What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to repair the headphones, the wired headphones. If you're new to this channel, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also remember to leave a comment down below to show us that this video helped you in any ways, who knows. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, as you can see, I opened it up and I found this wire is broken. It's supposed to be here on this terminal right here. So I'm gonna quickly solder it and see if it works. If this works for the first try, could be great. I think my soldering iron is overheated. I don't know why. It is too hot. The good thing about these ones are adjustable. I can increase the temperature and also reduce it. So it's a kind of cool. Highly recommended, by the way, if you plan to buy one. Oops, that was not the problem. We're gonna try next approach. So now we're going to test if the both speakers are okay, fine. So how am I going to do it? Of course you can use multimeter, but it could take a lot of check, and my battery in this multimeter is not doing well. As you can see, this means that the power is very low. I'm going to use the creative way to test speakers. Just take random battery or dry cell, whatever, and then put load to the positive and negative terminal, and also take it other ends. So this is the other speaker, this one, which is currently working well. Okay, I'm going to test it. Now you heard click, which means this speaker is well. So let's test another one, which is from here and here. As you can see, now it is good. So what we're gonna do now, we're going to test these wires. For wires, I'm going to use multimeter. Okay, let's test this wire. We should see something like this. And also, yeah, beeping sound if you have a multimeter with a healthy battery. Now let's test this blue wire. Well, it is connected. Okay, but not here. Okay, it is connected there as well. So the second wire to this speaker is this one. Looks like copper. Let's check the copper wire from here. Now it is the second one from this side. Let's check if it is connected well. Yeah, it is very well connected. Also, so now what we're gonna do, gonna test all the way to the headphone jack. From here, we're going to test our wires. Okay, this is the first wire. I'm just simply touching this rod to the first node here. Let's find the other end of the wire, which is found on this module, the module with the manual volume. It's not. Yeah, the first wire here is this blue. And now let's move on to the next. Okay, the second one is this GNC. I don't know what that means. Okay, this LIMN. I don't know what that means also. Let's check the last one. Yeah, it turns out to be healthy. These wires are working very well. The problem might be in this part from here to up to here. Let's see again from here to there to that part, which comes to lead here. Also, now we found the problem. This lead wire is not working. Maybe let me test again to make sure. Oh wow, it is working. So other wire is this copper we tested earlier. It is working very well. So this blue, where is it from here? Okay, now I can see it. Actually, it is not blue, it's a green. Yeah, because they are really small, I couldn't tell the color from my perspective. Now this is the only wire maybe has a problem. Yeah, because it's not beeping or something. If it is not beeping and it is the same wire, it means that it is broken. It's broken half, you know. These percentages, they might coming from this, because these wires on this module, they are probably connected via this variable. They might be because this wire with the light speaker is broken. This is why I think this percentage I'm seeing in multimeter, they might coming from, you can see they are all connected to the variable resistor, which of course uses some resistors. So yeah, we found the broken wire, guys, so we're going to repair it. Yes, so now because it is difficult to repair this wire, so I decided to replace it with a fresh one, which is this one I prepared very well. It has 4 wires inside. and I'm going to need only 3. Yes, so let's do it, guys. Alright. So from here, what you're going to do, going to press according to the colors. So this is green, which is luckily we have green here, which is lucky. Now, after so many trying, it worked. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, leave a comment down below and tell us which part that helped you out. If this video helped you, don't hesitate to reach out. You can also support our work on Patreon. The link is in the description and also at the top. Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye bye.